So today we're going to be making a classic Asian pudding using vermicelli, almonds, sugar, some fresh double cream and some milk. I'm using long life milk here, but you can use any type of milk. This is called seviyan. We will need 1 saucepan and 1 spoon to stir with. We'll begin by adding the milk into the saucepan. That's about 1 litres worth. Next, we'll add some double cream. I'm using about 200 millilitres worth of double cream here. Put your pot onto the stove and begin cooking. Occasionally stir the milk. I've ground the almonds. You can use a pestle or mortar or a food processor. Incorporate your almonds and sugar into the simmering milk and keep stirring. After a while of stirring and simmering, your milk will start to thicken and reduce. Once you finish cooking, simply transfer your vermicelli and milk to an airtight container and store in the fridge. This will be good for up to 3 to 4 days.